Hello students, we are going to begin with lesson number 3 integers. Okay, before starting what are integers, we will quickly revise what we have studied in 5th standard, natural numbers. Do you remember natural numbers? See, they have given one example. Count how many boys, flowers and ducks there are in the picture. So we have to count the number of boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here we have counted things. Means what? We have to count objects in order to find out the answer to how many. Okay, whenever a question is asked how many, then what we have to do, we have to count the things. Okay, so the numbers were created because of the need to count things in nature. Why the numbers were formed? In order to count the things in our nature. We write the count of things in the form of numbers. Okay, numbers are nothing but the counting of objects. So the numbers which are used for counting are called as counting numbers. Which numbers are used for counting? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the meaning of this dot dot dot? Dot 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 means there are many numbers, but we cannot write all the numbers, so we have given a dot dot dot. And these counting numbers are also called natural numbers. Okay, the another name for counting numbers is natural numbers. But is it possible to count the stars in the sky or the grains of sand on the beach? So can we count the stars in the sky? No. Can we count the grains of sand on a beach? No. So they are innumerable, means uncountable. We cannot count them. The things which we cannot count are called as uncountable. What is the word? Uncountable. And so are the natural numbers. Just like the stars and grains of sand, the natural numbers are also uncountable. Okay, means natural number will start from 1, but where it will end we do not know. We can start the counting, but ending we cannot tell. Means they are uncountable, they are infinite, means there is no end to natural numbers. Okay, so natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then between numbers they have not written. Then 2, 321, 322, like that, 28,000 and so on. Lakhs, crores. Okay, all these numbers come under natural numbers. Okay, now we have already learned to add and subtract these natural numbers. But when we subtract 5 from 5, nothing remains. Means 5 minus 5 means nothing. So to show this nothing, they invented the number 0. Okay, the 0 that we write to show that is not seen in this list. Okay, in this list where is 0? It is nowhere. But 0 is a very important number, because when we have to say that there is nothing, means we have to use the number 0. So in the set of natural numbers 0 is not present. That's why they made another set of numbers in which all the natural numbers are there and 0 is also there. So the set of all natural numbers together with 0. Set means what? Collection. So a collection of all the natural numbers and 0 is called a set of whole numbers. Okay, so what is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers? In natural numbers there is no 0, but in whole numbers 0 is included. So whole numbers start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And where it will end? it will never end, means it is infinite, uncountable. Understood? Natural number means counting number, they start from 1, and whole number start from 0, and where it will end we don't know. And in whole numbers, natural numbers are also included. Now can you tell that which is the smallest number that we know? You will say that 0 is the smallest number, but in this lesson we are going to study that 0 is not the smallest number. Okay, there are numbers which are smaller than 0 also. So which are the numbers? See here. Here is an example. In Maharashtra, the temperature falls. Falls means, okay, lowest temperature to 10 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius. How you will read this? This is the symbol of degree and C for Celsius. Temperature fall means the minimum temperature in the winter season, or even 8 degrees Celsius in winter. Okay, in some places the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius also in Maharashtra, but not down to 0 degrees Celsius. But in Kashmir it may fall even below 0 degree Celsius. Okay, Kashmir, have you heard this word? It is present in the north of our country, and there occurs snowfall in the winter, and the temperature in the winter, it can fall below 0 degree Celsius, means less than 0. The temperature becomes less than 0. So how are these numbers denoted which are less than 0? Let's see it. In January, when the paper said that it was snowing in Kashmir, snowing means snowfall, paper means newspaper. In newspaper, what it was written? That in Kashmir there is a snowfall. The temperature in Srinagar, Srinagar is the capital of Kashmir, so the temperature in Srinagar was -8 degree Celsius. How do we read that? -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what is the meaning of this -8? When we put a minus sign before any number, the number obtained is less than 0. Minus sign indicates that the number is less than 0 and it is called a negative number. Okay, माइनस साइन वाले नंबर को बोलते हैं निगेटिव नंबर. On a thermometer, there are increasing numbers like 1, 2, 3 above 0. These are called positive numbers, and the numbers below 0 are -1, -2 or -1, -2, -3. Can we show negative numbers on number line? So we can show negative numbers on number line also. But what are negative numbers? The numbers which are less than 0, they are called as negative numbers. And how they are indicated? They are indicated by a minus sign before any number. We have to give a minus sign before any number. And positive numbers means the natural numbers which we have studied, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are positive numbers. And negative numbers means the numbers which are having the sign minus before that number. Okay, now remember that before a positive number we don't write plus sign. Okay, positive number we have to write directly like this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 means what? They are positive. No need to write this plus sign, plus sign, plus sign. Directly you have to write 1, 2, 3. If there is no sign before any number, means it is positive. नंबर के आगे कोई साइन ही नहीं है, मतलब वो नंबर पॉजिटिव ही है. ऐसे अलग से प्लस साइन लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. किसके लिए? पॉजिटिव नंबर्स के लिए. बट फॉर निगेटिव नंबर्स वी हैव टू गिव अ माइनस साइन. निगेटिव नंबर्स अगर हमको शो करने हैं तो उसके आगे माइनस साइन लगाना ज़रूरी है. एंड व्हाट आर निगेटिव नंबर्स? द नंबर्स विच आर लेस देन 0. एंड वेयर दे आर यूज्ड? They are used for showing the temperatures of the cold regions in the world. Then see the second use. We use positive numbers to show height above sea level and negative numbers for depth below sea level. Now what is the sea level? Sea level means the ground level, means ज़मीन के नीचे अगर हमको कुछ शो करना है. डेप्थ मीन्स व्हाट? खोल. ओके, सो ज़मीन के नीचे अगर बिलो सी लेवल हमको कुछ दिखाना है तो हम वो इंडिकेट करेंगे डिस्टेंस बाय निगेटिव नंबर्स. एंड वी हैव टू शो समथिंग अबव सी लेवल, ओके, देन दैट वी विल शो बाय यूजिंग द पॉजिटिव numbers. Okay, and this I already told you, plus sign is not written before positive numbers, but it is necessary to write minus sign of a negative number. And what about 0? 0 does not have any sign. 0 को कोई sign नहीं लगाना है. It does not have any sign. So now we know what are integers. What are integers? All the positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers together form a group of numbers called the group of integers. What are integers? Integers is a collection of numbers. Collection of which numbers? Positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. All these together they are called as integers. Understood? Integers, all positive numbers, all negative numbers along with 0. 0 is also included in the integers. Then such a collection of numbers, such a group of numbers is called as integers. Okay, so we have studied 3 types till now. First one was natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Next is whole numbers. They start from 0 and where they end we don't know. And third one is integers. What are integers? All positive numbers. All positive numbers means natural numbers. Then 0 and negative numbers. Together they form a group of integers. Now here they have given us some examples of negative numbers. Okay, so here they have shown a kulfi man and he keeps the kulfi molds in a mixture of salt and ice. So children, whenever we mix salt with ice means barf. So salt means namak. So whenever we make a mixture of salt and ice, its temperature is below 0 degree Celsius. And if he keeps the kulfi in such a mixture, then the kulfi will not melt. So that's why he uses a mixture of salt and ice. Okay, then here there is a lift. Okay, in big buildings in the cities, they are using lifts. So the ground floor, the floor which is on the ground, it is numbered as 0. Okay, ground floor where cars or two-wheelers are parked, such floor is numbered as 0. And then below 0 also nowadays there are some floors. Suppose you go in a shopping mall or a huge building complex, then you will see that below 0 also there are 1 or 2 floors and they are made for parking the vehicles. They are made for parking the vehicles, but they are below the ground level. Below the ground level, ground के नीचे रहते हैं वो floors. तो उनको नंबरिंग क्या देते हैं, ग्राउंड के नीचे वाला -1, उसके भी नीचे वाला -2. ओके, 1 level below means -1, second level below the ground means -2. Like this we make use of negative numbers in our day-to-day life. Okay, where we have seen in case of temperatures, in case of lift, then in case of cold items we make the use of negative numbers. So negative numbers means which are less than 0, smaller than 0. Okay, next topic is showing integers on number line. Why we use the shape line? Line means what? Which has arrows on both the sides, means it can be extended on both the sides. And numbers are also uncountable. Just like the line, it has no starting point and no ending point. In the same way, in integers also we cannot say that from where the number starts and from till where the numbers end. That's why to show numbers we use the shape line. Understood? Now first we should draw a line. In the center there should be 0. It is called as origin. 0 number is called as origin. Then on the right side of the 0 there will be all the positive numbers, and on the left side of the 0 there will always be negative numbers. Okay, remember this: center 0, right side positive numbers and left side negative numbers. And these numbers are shown by points. Okay, small points. And how much distance you will keep between 2 points, that is up to us. We can keep a distance of 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter, any distance of our choice. Okay, and then serially you have to write the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, again they have just given the positive sign for your understanding. Just now what we have studied, that before the positive numbers this sign is not written, but since it is a new concept for you, that's why for your understanding in this topic they have given positive sign. But in future we will not use this sign before the positive numbers. We will use minus sign before negative numbers, but we will not use plus sign before the positive numbers. Understood how to draw a number line? First draw a line, take 0 in the middle, then at equal gaps. Okay, this gap should be same everywhere. Here you will mark the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many numbers we should mark? जितनी हमें ज़रूरत है उतने नंबर्स हम मार्क कर सकते हैं. नाउ सी हियर दे हैव गिवन वन एग्जांपल. शो द नंबर्स -7 एंड 8 ऑन द नंबर लाइन. तो नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करना है और राइट साइड में पॉजिटिव नंबर्स रहते हैं, और कौन सा नंबर शो करना है? +8. So we have drawn the number line till +8. Means we have to write all the numbers till +8. And on the left side there are negative numbers. And which negative number we have to show? -7. So they have drawn a number line till -7. Means -1 2 3 4 5 6 and up to -7. Like this you have to solve this example, and this gap you can take of your choice, but it should be same everywhere. Understood this much? So here is one Venn diagram. Okay, so one example they have given. My class standard 6 is a part of my school. Means class is inside the school. School is inside the town. Town is inside the taluka. Taluka is inside the district, and district is inside the Maharashtra state. Okay, so your class 6th standard, your school GYW school Ganesh Yashwant Wagre, where it is present in Mangaon. Which taluka? Mangaon. District Raigad, and Raigad comes in the Maharashtra state. In the same way, it is about the numbers. The smallest is natural numbers. They come inside the whole numbers. होल नंबर्स में ज़ीरो भी रहेगा और सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स भी रहेंगे, और इंटीजर्स में होल नंबर भी रहेंगे, नेचुरल नंबर भी रहेंगे, और साथ में निगेटिव नंबर्स भी रहेंगे. सो इंटीजर कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द होल नंबर्स एंड द निगेटिव नंबर्स. ओके, सो प्रैक्टिस सेट 4. इट इज़ वेरी इजी. Okay, classify the following numbers as positive number and negative number. You have to make 2 columns, positive number and negative number. In the column of positive number, which numbers you will write? +4, 7, +26, 19, +8, 5 and 27. And in the column of negative numbers, -5, -2, -49, -37, -25, -4 and -12. Now second question, you have to draw this table. Okay, as it is you have to draw this table, and below this table you have to make one more row like this. In this row what you have to write? The temperature using proper sign. So below 0 degree Celsius means here what we will write? Below means -7 degree Celsius. Again, Leh Ladakh, have you heard this city? So Leh temperature below 0 degree Celsius because there snowfall happens. So again -12 degree Celsius. Then Delhi above 0 degree Celsius. So +22 degree Celsius. Even if you don't write this plus sign, no problem. And last is Nagpur above 0 degree Celsius. So again +31 degree Celsius. 31 degree Celsius. Again, write the number in the following example using proper sign. Submarine is at a depth of 512 meters below sea level. Below sea level means below the ground level. Submarine, okay, they are the ships which travel below the water. Okay, ships that travel below the water, they are called as submarine, and they are used in the navy. Okay, so below sea level means which sign? -512 meters. What is the distance of the submarine below the water? -512 meters. Then height of Mount Everest. Mount Everest is a mountain. So mountain is above the sea level. Mountain कहाँ होता है? ज़मीन के ऊपर. So its distance will be 8,848 meters. Positive. ज़मीन के नीचे कुछ है तो निगेटिव, ज़मीन के ऊपर कुछ है तो पॉजिटिव. A kite is flying at a distance of 120 meters from the ground. Kite, it flies above the ground. Above the ground means positive 120 meters. Next, tunnel is at a depth. Depth means नीचे of 2 meters under the ground. So -2 meter. Okay, so like this you have to solve practice set 4 in your notebook. Understood? Thank you.